Hi guys, Bella Longo from Durack Civil here. We've been engaged by the Scenic Rim Regional Council to deliver the DRFA 2022 Landslip and Floodways Package 3, a really important flood recovery project focused on rebuilding and repairing geotechnically sensitive landslip areas and damaged floodways. Across 5 separate sites, the scope includes bulk earthworks, road construction, floodway removal and upgrades, installation of reinforced concrete pipes and box culverts, FRP concrete works, scour protection, tree removal, fencing, and landslip remediation. It is a complex package with a fair share of challenges: live traffic conditions, tight environmental constraints, and working within regional resourcing limits. Durack Civil has answered the call, working closely with the community and always respecting the purpose behind the job: restoring vital transport links, improving road safety, and strengthening the resilience of the local road network. We are now kicking off the final and most complex side of the package on Back Creek Road. It is a challenging one, but also the most rewarding. As always, we are proud to lead with safety, quality, and care for the community we work within.